So, good morning, friends. Today's our topic is code reusability in programming languages. First thing, what is code reusability? So, the code reusability means it is a we can define the code reusability by rewrite by without rewriting the software code. We can use that code in several times. So the code reusability means you are reusing the existing code without retyping or copying from one place to another place. That is called code reusability. So the most of the programming languages support this code reusability by different ways. Okay, the languages, some languages support this code reusability by loops, functions, packages in form of header files, in form of classes, in form of any inheritance interfaces. Okay, all these concepts okay is belongs to reusability of a software component. So some languages support few features, other languages support other features. Just like I can explain one example. In C language, we use the code reusability by header files, through header files. So everyone knows what is a header file. Okay. So the header file contains a set of predefined functions. Those can be used by the programmer in his program by include that file in that program. So this is called code reusability in C language through header files. Then coming to Java language, the code reusability can be implemented in different ways, like classes, like packages, like that. So, but those classes and packages cannot be used in C language. So that's why what I am saying here, all the reusable techniques we have, okay. So some languages support code reusability in one way, another language support code reusability in another way. So then coming to the code, how the code reusability in C++, fundamentally I am talking about loops. Okay, loops are the fundamental methodology to support code reusability. Okay, for example, you see, I am giving different tasks like print your name. Print your name means to print your name only one time. So the second task is to print your name 5 times. That is, you want to print your name 5 times. That means repeatedly you are printing your name 5 times. That is called duplication code. Code duplication. This is called code duplication. Okay. Here you are not printing new thing. You are not printing new thing. You are printing the same thing 5 times. So you have to avoid such cases. you have to avoid duplication of code. The third program is print your name n times. That is n times means it is user specific. The n may be 100, the n may be 10, the n may be 500. So that here also the third program also you print your name n times means repeatedly you are rewriting your name n times. It is also the worst, okay, programming. So what I'm saying here, without retyping, without retyping the code or without copying the code, you have to write the code only once and to execute many times. To execute many times. So please clearly understood what I am saying. Don't rewrite again and again. Don't rewrite again and again the same thing. So you have to write only one time to execute several times. That is called code reusability. Okay.